careful there, sir.
My pal's name is Foot. He always likes to roam. My pal's name is Foot. I never find him home. I go to his house, knock at his door. People come out and say, Foot, don't live here no more. My pal Foot, always likes to roam. My pal Foot, now he has no home. Where will Foot go? What will Foot do? Oh, Foot, I wish I could find you. I've looked here, I've looked there, I've looked everywhere. Oh, Foot, why can't I find you? Foot, where can you be? Foot, why won't you answer me? Foot, oh, Foot, wherever you are, I want you to come home with me. I don't have time to roam. I have things to do. I have to go home. Oh, Foot, where are you?
Because when you see how close this is here?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, they're like right next to each other. What they did, it was like this. So you're getting no airflow.
Okay.
So the minute you started using your dryer, you were plugging up because the air can't escape. You got great airflow coming out of your dryer, but what you need is a full 4 inches. Not to mention that this is not code.
Okay.
And this is definitely not to be used in an attic. For